Watch this video and learn how to draw a Minecraft creeper. Later in the show, Artie's friend Larry calls in. And watch to the end for one of Mikey's hysterical joke breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Is everyone else ready? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, and welcome to Artie's show.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready for today's show?
I am ready.
Let's make some art.
Yeah.
Should we do something fun?
Yeah.
Let's do a drawing.
Oh, okay. Good idea. Yeah.
Hey there, Artie.
Greetings, Artie!
It's a wonderful day today.
I'm ready.
Do you know what we're going to draw, Artie?
No, what are we gonna draw?
We're going to draw a Minecraft creeper.
Wow. Wow. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's start. Yay.
Let's start by drawing our creeper's left eye. It's going to be very easy. We're just going to draw a small square. Maybe after the drawing today, Artie, we can go and play Minecraft.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow. Oh, yeah.
Now let's draw the right eye. Guess what? It's another square. Try and make it about the same size as the first one. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, here's a message from Bunny.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny. That was very helpful. Now, Artie, let's shade our square eyes in black. That's right. Get a slightly thicker marker pen if you can. It'll just be a little bit quicker. And then really carefully shade the whole square in black. You know, Artie, I like Minecraft, but I'm not sure I like these creeper characters. They're a bit scary the way they creep up on you and then explode.
Yeah.
Well, I suppose you like them at least. Okay, Artie, that's good. Let's shade in that second eye. Now we have two square eyes all shaded in. Oh, here's Bunny.
Hi, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
I'm ready to hop into a creative adventure!
Oh,
Wow! Every drawing you make is such a masterpiece, Artie!
thank you.
Good job! Stay positive! Bye!
Bye.
Good message, Bunny. We should always stay positive. Okay, Artie, that's a good job. You've got the eyes done. Now let's draw the mouth. It's a funny shaped mouth. It's lots of straight lines that sort of step in. Two side lines first, and then two little short ones at the bottom. Now go up with two little short lines. 1, 2, then join them together across. That's it. Two little short lines at the top now, and then a straight line at the very top, and then two little short lines coming down. And now we have a creeper's mouth.
Oh, it's a felt time. Yay, yippee. Oh. Okay, Artie's here. Hi, Larry. What's going on?
Hey there, Artie. Quick question. How do you get your hair to look so nice? I mean, look at this comb over. It's more like a comb all over.
Oh, it's not that bad, Larry. What's the problem?
Well, no matter how much I comb it, it just flops over like a wet noodle. I want hair that looks as cool as yours.
Okay, first tip, use a hairdryer. It keeps everything looking bushy.
Hairdryer. I can do that. What else?
Try combing it spiky. But don't forget to smile. A good smile makes any hairstyle look awesome.
Like this?
Perfect. And remember, Larry, it's not just about your hair, it's about being confident. If you're confident, you'll look great.
Wow, Artie, you're a hair hero. I'm gonna try your tips right now. Thanks.
Anytime, Larry. I can't wait to see your new style. Bye.
Bye, Artie. Stay stylish.
Mikey, do you like Artie's hair?
Yeah, orange is one of my favorite colors.
Yeah.
I like orange as well, Artie. It's one of my favourite colours. Now let's shade that mouth in completely black, just like you did with the eyes. But be really careful. Try not to go outside the lines. That's it, Artie. No rush. Be nice and patient. Good job, Artie. That's it, now he has a mouth. Coming up, don't miss Mikey Marker's joke break. It's really funny. Now let's add the creeper's head. A straight line on the left side, and then another straight line on the right side. And let's draw little curves on the end of those straight lines. That's it, just a tiny little curve. Do the same on the left side, Artie.
Have you seen Painty around?
Oh, I haven't seen him for a while, actually.
No, neither have I. Uh-oh, here comes Painty.
Oh, Painty, you've made a mess. There's red paint all over the floor now. I suppose I'll clean it up later. He's a little rascal, that Painty. Okay, Artie, you've finished the head. Let's draw the body now. A straight line down on the left side, and another one on the right side. And then we're going to add little short angled lines at the ends. Excellent work, Artie.
Oh, I had a really good idea.
Oh, what's that?
Let's have a joke break. Yeah. Oh, Mikey, joke break, joke break, joke break, joke break.
Hey kids, welcome back to your favorite part of the show. It's Jokes with Mikey Marker. So, what's a cheerleader's favorite color? Yellow. What color is a burp? Burple. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing.
Oh, that was good, Mikey.
That was a funny joke break, Mikey.
Mikey is very, very funny.
Yes, he is.
Mikey funny, Mikey funny.
Okay, Artie, come on. Let's get on with the drawing.
Okay.
Now, from the end of those short little angles, we're going to come down again with another straight line on both sides. Now let's go all the way across, but stop in the middle and draw a little upside down U shape. That's it. And now a horizontal line right at the top of those angles.
Say, Artie, that's a really cool drawing from a really cool dude. Makes me want to sing. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, Barry, thank you. Now all the dogs in the neighborhood are barking. Let's draw two straight lines going up with little angles at the end. That's going to show the feet. Very good. Now let's draw two tiny little squares in the body on the right upper side. And let's draw another little square on the left side.
That's amazing.
Let's draw four little toenails in the bottom of the left foot. Just draw little arch shapes. And now let's do the same in the right foot. You know, Artie, that looks really good. And I think it's finished. What do you think?
I'm finished. Ooh.
I thought so. It looks great.
Yeah.
Let's colour it.
Yeah, let's color it in.
Some color would make this even better.
You're not wrong about that, Betty.
All done.
Great job, Artie. I think this one came out really good.
Oh, it came out so good. Yeah.
Should we go and play Minecraft now?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
See you next time.
Wow, that was so much fun. Thank you for watching, little artists. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye.